I'm aware it might be funny if people, lots of passengers on this train suddenly got up and did the stretches I did. But look, isn't this a wonderful place to actually do pull-ups, chin-ups, just the ideal things to hang from. Give one a good stretch. And what's very, very useful about this particular rail is one can widens one's stance and do all sorts of exercises. Admittedly, it would be advantageous if there are less people on the train, but it also depends whether you really care and are more interested in improving your fitness and your health and well-being.